What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hey, today we're gonna do a little update on the house, and also we're gonna walk over here and do a little update on Jesse. The ladies back there won't be quiet, but we're gonna do an update on Jesse too. So we're gonna walk over here and see what old Jesse thinks about the new build project. If he's got any advice for me or whatnot, but let's go over here and see what he's up to. What are you doing, Jess? Looky there, Jesse's on break. Well, look at there, it's middle of the day and Jesse's taking a break. He was in there taking a nap. Jesse, you're supposed to be out here helping me, buddy. What are you doing in there, buddy? Oh, Jesse. Come on. Let's go get some stuff done. What are you doing? What you doing in there? I think Jesse's mad at me. Maybe because we're not building his timber frame lean-to yet. We've been working on the house back there. I don't know. You can see Jesse's doing great. I'm gonna walk over here and I'm gonna show you guys the form. They poured the concrete into the footing. It's all dry. They did that a couple days ago. We got a lot of rain yesterday. I mean, like a couple inches. So it's wet out here like crazy. But they're out here. They're building the forms, and hopefully they get this done today and tomorrow. Plumbers come out in a couple days, and then by next week, hopefully they can pour the pad, and then we can start framing it in. So I'll walk over and I'll show you guys what's going on. I'm going to show you guys a little aerial footage of the actual the footing that's already poured. You guys can check it out right now. Look at them guys working hard out there. Let's take a look and see what they got going on. These guys working hard.
Harvey working.
Oh, Harvey working. Harvey built. Is that what you said?
Yeah, Harvey built.
You can see they're building the forms. Here's the old house plans. Hey, y'all need some help? Yeah, you should have started over there first, huh?
I started there. Over here don't start. I'm gonna get a little dinner
Harvey, you can be able to start that?
Yeah, I hope so. It should.
I got one in the shed if I don't.
I'll get the catch.
Let's get, hey Harvey, what's your company called? Harvey Built?
Harvey built.
Harvey Built. Hey, if you guys are in Northeast Oklahoma, get in contact with me. I'll put you in contact with Harvey. Harvey Built, he does a great job. You got, look how good he is. He started up.
It started 1 year.
Look at that, natural.
Oh,
All right, guys, I just want to show you guys a quick update, guys, on them doing the forming and all that stuff. I know a lot of you guys are interested in the project, and also on Jesse. You can see Jesse's over there taking a nap while we're working out here. But no, hope you guys enjoyed this little quick update. Not very long at all, I know that, I apologize for that. But we're getting ready to go out of town for a day, for about a day and a half. And we'll be back, and hopefully I'll have a good vlog for you guys on Hayden's tournament and all that stuff that we're doing. Going up to Springfield, Missouri. We'll be up there for a tournament Saturday morning, so it should be really good. I'll give you guys the results and all that. So hey, if you guys get a chance, smash that like button for me if you would. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that little button and click the little bell for notifications too, guys. Oh, let's do a little quick broccoli update since I'm back over here by the broccoli. And if you guys have been watching Daniel, Daniel's been giving me a hard time. Look here, keeping in that shirt. Got my good shirt in, but Daniel's been giving me a hard time about broccoli, how he's got this one and I have no chance. Let me tell you guys, Daniel had about a 2-month head start on me, and he thinks I don't have a chance. Let's take a look at this stuff. I know they're babies right now, but them babies grow up to be big boys. You can see how good that broccoli's growing. It's really starting to take off. It's doing great. My cabbage back here, it's taking off too. Everything's doing really good in these raised beds. I couldn't be more pleased with it. But Daniel better watch out, because I'm coming for you, Daniel.